I wanted to share an email with you that I got the other day that you may be able to relate to. So this is what he wrote, "Man, I have no problem approaching women, getting numbers, building attraction, and getting her in bed." I just thought he was bragging when he wrote me this, but his issue is how to maintain that attraction and get to a girlfriend stage with a really hot and awesome woman. I have a current situation with a gorgeous girl we've dated 6 to 7 times over the past 4 weeks. But now she seems to be cooling off, avoiding definite plans and getting together. I just can't figure out what's going on and what I can do to lock her down and get her to be my girlfriend. How do I strike the balance between coming on too strong while showing interest and desire for her? Brad, here's my response to Brad. Hey, Brad. So my first question is, does this happen to you a lot that you date and have fun, but then things start to cool off as it gets more serious? If so, then here are a few options of what I think might be going on. It could be any of these. Okay, so here's number one. You may not be showing her that you're serious, meaning it's always fun and flirty, which is great for building attraction, but it doesn't help you build a more solid connection with her. Flirting and fun just isn't enough for women past the fourth date. If that woman is wanting something real to come from your time together, then she's going to need more from you. That means she wants to get to know you and see other sides to you. That also means you need to be sharing, connecting, being a little bit vulnerable. And I want to know, why are you doing that? Number two, she may just not be feeling it anymore. And usually after 7 dates, you typically know if this is someone you want to make your partner or at least continue exploring. So if things are, fizzling out, it means she knows that you guys are just not meant for the long term. This could be because of what I stated in number one. Or she's realizing that you guys don't share in the same values. So here are my last thoughts on what might be happening. Number three, she's scared you're a player, and this is just fun for you. You stated that you have no problems with meeting women and attracting women and sleeping with them. So I'm guessing that you may give off that natural, charming vibe that sometimes translates into player for women who have been played by players before they develop ways to test and see whether the guy they are dating is going to play them like the other guys or be the good guy. They're really hoping you are. One of the ways we do this is when things start to get more serious and they become more invested, they pull away to protect themselves and see if the guy will either back off or, fight for her. Backing off is a way to gauge where you're at. Yes, I wish women would just say something, but that's uncomfortable. And most often that just won't happen, but hopefully you don't get uncomfortable too easily and you can say something. So if you like this woman, say something, not sure what to say, I can tell you exactly how to phrase what to say to a woman so that you don't come across as needy or creepy. Just go to wingirlmethod/advice and sign up for my newsletters, and I'm going to reveal everything you know about women in there. So I'll see you next week.